Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with Ashimary Hair once more. Alright, so this is their packaging as usual. And first thing I see is, of course, the wig. I then have a pair of wig caps. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Alright, Ashimary got real fancy. I got a purse, guys. Can you believe that? I've never gotten a purse in a hair package before. Like, talk about a top tier goodie. Like, what? They did that. Yes. Okay. A whole purse in a hair package. Shout out to you, Ashimary. I got, one of these elastic headbands branded Ashimary. Also, I got a pair of gorgeous lashes. And lastly, well, in the bag I have an edge brush and comb and a razor. This is perfect to cut away your excess lace. And that's everything in the bag. You could go ahead and use this bag to store your wig. It's perfect for that. So the wig we're working with today, guys, do you see how long this is? This is some inches. Alright, so this is a 4C Kinky Edges Hairline HD Lace Front Deep Wave Wig. I got this in 32 inches, guys. Yes, today we're working with inches. And this is a natural 1B color. The hair feels really good, really nice and soft. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this, guys. Like 32 inches of all this goodness. It feels so good. And what makes it even better, it is a bomb HD lace with the new trendy kinky curly edge. Oh my gosh, these edges make everything look so much better. I love that. And it's really nicely plucked as well. The lace, it's a 13x4 as I said, so it's 13x4 right across the lace front portion there. And it comes with a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap and adjustable straps in the back. This wig looks so good. I am literally so excited and cannot wait to install this. I'm going to be doing a bomb glue install with this today. Like, you see that curl, you see that wave pattern? Yeah, so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So yeah, now that I show you guys this, let's go ahead and jump on into installing it. Definitely went ahead and I had to re-up on my Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. I got a couple of these so that I wouldn't run out so easily. So I'm just, lining it up, measuring it, seeing what the fit is like. Oh, this is gonna be so pretty. I'm thinking about, I don't know how I want to style it. If I just want to do a pullback so that the edges can shine through, because it's so nice. Like, if you have not gotten into the whole curly edge, like, obviously if you're an edge kind of girl, I'm not talking for the people who don't like doing their edges or they don't like the look. I'm talking for the people who love, finessing their edges. You need to go ahead and try it out because it's so cute. It's so cute. So I'm just gonna cut away the excess. I can just speed through this portion,
Yo, Dre.
So I'm gonna get my Erica J glue and I'll just take my time and apply like 2 layers of glue to the my edges here. Of course, it's already cleansed and stuff, so make sure you clean yours with like alcohol or any cleansing agent that you prefer, so that there's no residue. So this will make you be able to get a more durable install. So Okay, so I'm finished with the first portion, which is basically just you know, installing the wig with the glue, and it looks so flawless. Like, this lace is doing what it's supposed to do. It's very undetectable, and I love the look. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just redefine the curly edges, like right here, so you can just kind of like comb it down, and you can do as much or as little as you want, but I'm just kind of combing back out because, you know, I had to kind of like just make sure that the lace was laying properly right across the hairline. I'm gonna just kind of like twirl. I'm gonna just kind of like take my edge comb, and I'll just like, I don't even know, I'll just like, you know, play around with it and like curl up back the, redefine the edges. So, you know, and if it's too long for some of the portions, I'll cut it down. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to do a center part or a side part. I think like another time when I install this wig, I will definitely do a pull back. I think I want to do a parting today. So I redefined it, and I kind of, you know, just took some out at the sides, and that's how we're looking. I really love how undetectable the lace is, and you know, it's nice and pre-plucked. I love that they didn't go too far back with the graduation of, like, you know, how they plucked it and stuff. So I think I want to actually do a side part. Should I do a side part? I'm always doing a center part anyways. Might as well. I just like, sometimes I feel like it's easier to do a center part, like to manage it, especially when you're dealing with a lot of hair on like your curly wig. So that's why I lean to, especially with this being 32 inches. But I'm gonna do a side part, and I'm gonna get it nice and flat. I'm gonna take my time to get the top nice and flat, and then we're gonna do a nice juicy wet look. I love how I kind of, I don't know, lay these edges at all. So you could make it be less if you wish, you know, for a more minimalistic vibe. But I love how it's looking. Like, love, love, love. You can just play around with it as much as you want as well. You know, to just make it have more of like a effortless look to it. So I'm gonna use my wax stick as usual, as you guys know, to lay this really flat. What I'm gonna do now is just take some of my spray, scratch just the top here, if any, like, you know, strand like fly away or so should come up. Like I'm seeing just a few. Sorry, just take this, and I don't want to apply the heat directly to it while it's so wet, else it will be like, that will make it get white, so you have to wait a while, and then you can quickly brush the, like, run the hot comb over it. Now I need you to know, if you want, you could definitely go ahead and rot this dry as well. I mean, of course, because it's always an option. 32 inches of greatness. It's so pretty. And it's very manageable. Like, yes, it's gonna have a bit of weight, but honestly, it's manageable. Because I've worked with some really long lengths in the past, and they were heavy. Like, my head doesn't feel heavy, you know. But I know say good amount of hair on it, and for 32 inches to be on it, and it's so manageable, yeah, it's a vibe. So I'm gonna make my parting a little bit more precise with some concealer. Okay, so it's time for me to just go ahead and get this nice and wet. But yeah, it's a vibe. Oh, guys, love this. It's so neat. Like, you know, it was just so easy to style and install. Like, I'm just pleased. That's all. I'm just admiring this gorgeous, gorgeous wig. Look at that. It's so nice when it's not wet as well. Like, it's such a vibe. Love it. I love it. I'm gonna get it wet. I went ahead, got it wet. And I'm just, you know, now I'm just detangling it and then now redefining these beautiful waves. And this comes all the way down to my hip. Remember, it's 32 inches long. So yeah, and I'm 5'1". So that gives you a little guide. This one I did before this. You see how nice these are just bouncing up back? That's pretty much it for how this wig looks. Ashimary did an awesome job. It's very true to length, and you know, it's 32 inches when stretched, but still very dramatically long with the waves. So that's really nice. If you're looking for inches, yeah, this is your wig. So if you want a wet look, you know, if you want it to remain wet, you could go ahead and apply mousse. Depending on how much conditioner you apply, that can help to keep the wet look like put for a long time. But if you want that fluff, if you want that volume again, don't apply so much conditioner, and you know, use the water and just define it in a moment, and then it will literally just, you know, get back its volume. So over time this will get like very voluminous again. So yeah, but this hair is so nice. It's beautiful in either state. It's beautiful in either states. It's really gorgeous. Shout out to Ashimary. Like, they've been bringing the heat because it's Ashimary that added that bomb like streaked blonde lace front the other day. I don't know if you guys remember where I did a little bit of layering. It was so nice. But yeah, they did their thing. If you like this wig, I love this wig. If you like it, go ahead and check out my description box for the direct link if you want to go ahead and purchase it for yourself, and the specifications for it will also be listed down below, so check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching and checking out today's wig look. Shout out to Ashimary once more. And that's it for today's look, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up for yourself.